We are in New York.
Is this America, Dad?
Yes, this is America.
The airport is very big. Look at this big poster. It's so amazing.
We are very happy here. Is it cold outside?
No, it is sunny today.
Look at the yellow taxis.
These bags are very heavy. To Manhattan, please.
Okay, let's go, sir.
This city looks like magic. Is the city far?
No, it is very near.
Can we see everything?
Yes, we have much time.
This park is very green.
Is it quiet here?
Yes, it is very quiet. I see a horse carriage.
Are the horses big?
Yes, they are very big. The carriage is very comfortable.
Are these trees old?
Yes, they are very old.
Dad, this park is very big. How many trees are there?
Thousands, Lily. But remember, a giant forest starts with one small seed.
There is a big lake. Can we row a boat?
Yes, let's go now. I am rowing the boat.
Is the water cold?
Yes, be careful, Tom.
I see a small squirrel. Does it like nuts?
Yes, it is very hungry.
The squirrel is very fast.
We are sitting on grass.
Are you happy, Dad?
Yes, I am very happy.
The buildings are far away.
We enjoy the fresh air.
It is time to go. We are at Battery Park.
Is the statue far?
No, the ferry is here.
Many people wait in line.
Are you ready, Lily?
Yes, let's go now.
The ferry leaves the dock.
The statue is very big. Look at the torch. It is gold and bright.
Is the wind strong?
Yes, hold your hat. We are at Liberty Island.
We walk to the statue.
Is it a woman?
Yes, she represents freedom. See the torch, Tom? It gives light to everyone.
Is it a guide, Dad?
Be a light for others, Tom. Always help people.
Do you like the crown?
Yes, it has 7 points.
I take a family photo.
The ocean is very blue.
Is the history long?
Yes, it is very old.
The city looks very small. Is the statue green?
Yes, it is green now, but it is copper. Look at this coin. It was this color before. It changed over time.
The ferry is back now.
We leave the island together.
Times Square is very bright.
Are the screens big, Dad?
Yes, they are very big.
There are many people here. Can we see a show?
Yes, maybe tomorrow, Lily.
I like the neon lights. Are you excited, Sarah?
Yes, I am very happy.
Do you like the lights? Yes, they are colorful.
I see a food stand.
Are you hungry, Dad?
Yes, let's buy hot dogs. The hot dogs smell good.
Do you want ketchup, Lily?
No, only mustard, please. Dad takes a big bite.
Mark, look at your shirt.
The mustard is very yellow.
Is it a big spot?
Yes, it is very big.
Is the shirt okay, Mark?
It is a funny memory.
New York is very fun.
This museum is very big. The bones are very old.
Is it hungry?
No, it is a skeleton.
Look at the big teeth.
I am scared of the T-Rex.
Is the neck long?
Yes, it is very long.
Is it a dinosaur?
Yes, it is a T-Rex. Let's take a funny photo.
The bridge is very famous.
Is it long, Mom?
Yes, it is very long.
I hear the wooden floor. Are there cars below?
Yes, many cars, Tom.
Look at the big wires. Are these wires steel?
Yes, they are very strong.
Are you tired, Mom?
No, I am happy, Lily. The sunset is very orange. Is the view beautiful?
It is perfect, Sarah.
The stone towers are tall.
The city lights are on. Can we walk fast?
Yes, let's go, Tom. Is the sun gone?
Yes, the night is here.
We reached the other side.
It is beautiful here.
Brooklyn is a new place.
This building is very tall.
Is it the top floor?
Yes, it is the summit.
The lobby is very golden.
Is the elevator fast, Mom?
Yes, it is very fast.
We are at the top.
Can we touch the clouds?
They are very near, Tom.
The wind is very cold.
Are the cars toys, Dad?
No, they are very small.
I can see the park. Are you brave, Mom?
Yes, I am brave, Tom. Is the world very big?
The world is beautiful, Sarah. The sun goes down now.
The moon is very bright. Do you love the city?
Yes, it is a dream.
Dad, these buildings are so big. How?
Look closely, Lily. A skyscraper is 1,000 small bricks.
Small bricks?
Yes, one brick today, one brick tomorrow. Big things need patience and small details.